All right, I'm here at 322 Scuttlehole Road in the heart of Bridgehampton.
The speaker box loud, hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound.
Another great new new construction, new development launch. Epic collaboration right here of Ryan Kessler, one of the best new development architects in the Hamptons. Jason Kahn Development, doing incredible work, one of the best up and coming developers in the Hamptons, and of course the BAT team doing all the sales and marketing for you. And it's just a great house, 10,000 square feet, acre-and-a-half property, inside and out, just filled with luxury amenities and filled with lifestyle. So excited for you guys to check this out. Let me know. Talk to you soon.